Once again, the civil aviation industry is having to change its security procedures in response to a perceived threat. Last week, the United States Department of Homeland Security responded to what it describes as credible intelligence by alerting overseas airports with direct flights to the United States to intensify checkpoint screening of smartphones, tablets, and other personal electronic devices. Any device which does not power up will be confiscated. The United Kingdom, France, and Germany have all confirmed that they will comply with the demands, which are likely to add to the inconvenience passengers already face at the security checkpoint. The move appears to reflect new tactics on the part of Islamist terrorists such as Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula, or ACAP. Analysts believe that ACAP's main bomb experts may be trying to hide low-vapor improvised explosive devices inside electronic devices. The move appears to reflect new tactics on the part of Islamist terrorists such as AQAP. Analysts believe that AQAP's main bomb experts may be trying to hide low-vapor improvised explosive devices inside electronics. Low-vapor explosives such as PETN, RDX, or HMX can be difficult for checkpoint security technology to detect, especially in some of the older in-service systems. But security agencies are also vigilant over the risk posed by IEDs placed beneath the skin in body cavities. This is a different modus operandi from concealment of explosives beneath clothing, as in the case of Umar Farouk Abdul Muttalab, who tried to bring down Northwest Airlines Flight 253 on Christmas Day 2009, or Richard Reed, who attempted to detonate explosives hidden in his footwear to blow up American Airlines Flight 63 in December 2001. Medical experts say that it is feasible for an attacker to surgically implant explosives into the body. Small quantities of explosive material can be sealed in plastic and introduced into the abdomen, for example, in much the same way that drug mules attempt to smuggle cocaine or heroin through airports. For a while, US officials have believed that terrorists may use this method of concealment in attacks on aircraft. In 2011, for instance, the US Transportation Security Administration warned airlines and security agencies in other countries of the potential risk of implanted explosives. And Islamist terrorist groups have tried this method of attack in the past. In August 2009, AQAP implanted a bomb inside the rectal cavity of one of its members to carry out a suicide mission aimed at killing Saudi Arabian intelligence chief Prince Mohammed bin Nayef Al Saud. The bomb was triggered but failed to kill its intended target, and the only casualty was a would-be assassin. How then to counteract an attempt to smuggle an IED through the checkpoint? Backscatter X-ray and millimeter wave scanners are in routine use at some large hub airports to screen passengers, especially in the US, but these systems cannot penetrate beyond the surface of the body because privacy and health concerns associated with active transmission X-rays cause regulators to prohibit more invasive technology from being used for primary or secondary screening. Higher energy X-ray systems are used by customs agencies at airports to stem the smuggling of illegal drugs and other contraband such as gold and precious stones hidden inside body cavities. But this kind of invasive scanning process at the checkpoint would cause delays and considerable inconvenience to passengers, intensifying complaints over privacy and redoubling health concerns. Active transmission X-ray machines of the kind used in hospitals are proven to find narcotics and are more likely to detect underskin explosives and backscatter or millimeter wave at the checkpoint today. But for things to change, regulators need to be convinced that health or privacy issues have been adequately addressed. Failing that, the nightmare scenario of a successful endo-bomb attack would probably deliver change. One of the most unfortunate facts about aviation is that it sometimes takes a tragedy to force regulators and legislators to act.